Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Mazda 6. Starting right away up front, before we take a look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. We're going to take a look at the tread on the tires. Before we take a look inside, cloth interior, so seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side before we swing around to the back end. On the back you have dual point exhaust and a rear backup camera. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls mounted here to the steering wheel. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate control and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Mazda on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.